Hi folks, welcome back to Blackbeard's Detailing YouTube channel. I'm Ross, and on this vlog we're going to be putting decals on my new car. So first up, we're going to be doing a full decon on the car just to make sure there's nothing on the paintwork that's going to cause any issues when installing all the decals. Chris from Universal Graphics, he's going to be coming along and doing it. So I've got a side design and the design for the back window and a little bit of PPF and wanting done on the back of the car just to protect it. Once the car's all been deconned, we'll get it inside and we will start off and we'll introduce Chris. You've probably seen him in a couple of vlogs before. It's basically give him a call whenever I'm needing PPF done because he's absolutely first class at it. And we shall see you very shortly. So that's all the prep work done on my car. Chris is still lying down, sitting down on the deck, sorting the PPF on the front end of Audi RS6 which is in. So there's mine, all sitting and ready to work. So first bit, mine done, the bit that I'd wanted, you see a wee line along there. So when the boot's open, you've got the grab handle down under there. However, I'm left-handed and there isn't one on the left-hand side, and I normally just grab it from there. So I would rather a wee bit of rip-off disposable PPF along there, so if that's dirty, grimy, my hands aren't going to be pushing in the dirt on it. So it's just a wee kind of 6-inch section just above the Lexus badge, just to protect that from being pulled down. That's the work done on the RCF and I'm absolutely overjoyed. It's exactly what I wanted. The logo in the back, G-Technic accredited, contact information along the side, that's done in a gunmetal colour because when I refurb my wheels I'm going to get them done gunmetal, so it all ties in and it is absolutely perfect. Every way it's tucked in under. It's yeah, I am absolutely overjoyed. So hats off to Chris who done everything. He's just taken pictures of Sandy's RS6 and a couple of pictures of my own. So if you're looking for anything like that to get done, give Chris a shout. He's the only person I trust to put PPF, vinyl, things like that on my car. Work ethic exactly like mine, he's a gentleman to boot. So yeah, if you're looking for anything like that to get done, give Chris Universal Graphics a shout. There's his website down there, and yeah, he can look after you. So thank you very much for watching this little quick vlog. It's a wee update on my own toys, and please remember, hit that subscribe button, hit the wee bell, get a notification whenever we drop a new video. Thank you very much for watching. Cheerio, bye.